Hello and welcome to this live stream. Today I will be talking about a really important thing happened in just a few days ago. The Hubble Legacy Field, which basically an image was composed to represent about 16 years worth of observation, basically looking at the universe. This is an amazing picture of all time as of today. As you can see, the image is really huge. Uh, I opened it with the Envy software, but I couldn't actually see it when I tried to stream it. So I can only see it on my computer. I don't know, there's something wrong with the graphics, the graphic card or something. It will require time, and I don't have that much time to go investigate it. Anyhow, I encourage you to go to this website and download it and try to open it and play with it. It's a You see this image. I opened it with a software called GIMP, and I will actually try to zoom and explore the image together. As you can see, this is a description of the image. Um, you can go read it yourself if you want. Okay, let's go to the image and just try basically to play with it. Zoom on places and see how. Because I always was thinking how the galaxies, how they are and how we really can see them. Uh, I heard the term like trillions of galaxies, billions of galaxies. I don't know. Because I always struggle to see, we are on Earth and we can actually, see where we are. And it's an amazing question I have since I was a child. But as you can see, let's just go to the actual image and just see how it looks like. Okay, so this is the image. Basically, I opened it with a free software called GIMP, and this is actually a TIFF image. It's not the PNG or. Um, I will open the other one as well and see what's different because I opened it with Envy software because we use it in a lot of things in engineering. Okay, let's just try to zoom on this little corner right here, or any, anywhere actually. It doesn't matter. As you can see, these ones are actually galaxies. Can you see? There's like thousands and thousands of galaxies here. As you can see, it's just mind blowing. Okay, let's just zoom at this little corner right here. Okay, as you can see, this is a galaxy. I don't know what is this. Looks like a really bright star. It's amazing. Um, as you can see, a lot of galaxies just in this little corner. Uh, this is actually the edge of the corner. See, um, can you imagine these are all galaxies? Wow, how incredible this picture is. Um, just zoom back. Okay, go to view and then zoom and then fit in the windows. Okay, so this is the full image. I'm gonna just try to zoom on another place, like start in this corner. We can basically zoom on this place right here. Okay, look at this galaxy. Looks just like the Milky Way. Wow, so much detail. And look how I mean, you can see the pixels, but can you imagine how far this thing is? Like billions of light years. Yeah, billions of light years. That's just mind blowing to see this. It just crazy to me. In my lifetime, I'm able to see this, and I don't know what's hidden in the next 10 years or 15 years. Yeah, this is just amazing. Let's just zoom back. Let's try to just use the control zoom in now. Look at this. You see, as you can see, they are images. You can see actually the folding. See, they are composed. You see, like look at this edge right here, straight. I don't know if you can see it on YouTube, but this is actually an image. And then on top of it, you can see this edge right here as an image. See, this is 16 years worth of observation. Yeah, the person was born the day this thing starts recording this data. Actually, now they are teenagers. They're probably in high school or almost graduating the high school. Okay, let's zoom at these little windows right here and see. Wow, amazing. I mean, when you see all this, and you see we are alone in the universe, in a sense, yes, we are, because we don't have the know-how to go and travel. Um, since as a human, our lifespan is very, very small. I mean, really, really short compared to traveling from one place to another. That's span the universe. And this could be, the light spend this time to come to us. Most of these are maybe just ghosts, they are long gone, but just you can see them, but that's just the light traveling to you. So I don't know, this could be way older than our solar system. uh, okay, let's zoom back and just use the zoom fit and then find another place to zoom back in and see. Okay, let's just see, maybe this place right here. Oh, this is very clear. Look how beautiful this thing is. Look at these galaxies. Just in this little square, you can count how many galaxies. I mean, you can't really count, but just the ones that are close to us. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I mean, I can't count all of them, but you get the picture. Uh, I just love this image so much, man. It's just really, really good. Um, just amazing. This is not actually, a computer generated data or something or a simulation. This is actually real. These images that you're looking at, they are from the Hubble telescope. You know, they they basically, these are picture, like you're looking at your own picture. You see, because you see the different, they are kind of different based on the resolutions. I don't know how the Hubble telescope work, but as you can see, the folding between like images, but they are still the same space, that just like pointing it in a one direction and taking all these images. Okay, let's zoom back in. Control Shift J. Okay, this zoom. This looks really big galaxy. Let me zoom here and see what is this. Yeah, this is a huge galaxy. Man, this is like very, very large. I always wonder how many people, I would say, out there, because given the conditions on Earth, probably there are other Earths somewhere, millions of them actually, out there. Just thinking if they are really, really advanced, if their Earth, was born, a few billion years before ours. They are billions of years advanced than us. That's that's crazy. Um, but uh, I don't know if it just like so mind-boggling to me that you think like we are, we can actually wake up one day and we have a spaceship in our backyard, somebody come. But if given the condition that a human on Earth have, it's gonna be almost impossible for a being like let's say a human from a different galaxy or different planets from our own galaxy, the Milky Way, will actually show up here, because it's going to take them many lifetimes of them to reach us. It's the distance just between us and other solar system is counting light years. How long the light travel from point A to B, and no human that I know of can survive uh, this journey. Wow, how many galaxies! This is just amazing. I really love this picture. Wow, look at this. Even we have, you see, like this one looks close. Look how far this thing is. Look how far this thing. Some of them are really far. You can only see this little dim of light. Like this one right here, you see? It's really far away. You can only see a little, like about, you can actually count how many pixels, like about, you see, like about 10 pixels altogether, being generous. See how far this thing is. And then this one looks pretty close. Look at this galaxy. I mean, it looks close, but it's billions and billions of light years to get there. Okay, imagine that you're in a spaceship and you're trying to go to an Earth. So let's imagine this is actually the Milky Way, right? Our Earth is somewhere, I would say, right here, right? This place right here. Just approximately, I'm not saying we're there, but approximately we're here. And land on Earth right here. It's almost impossible, it's just crazy. This actually give me the satisfaction. Sorry about that. The satisfaction of that, you know, it's hard for anybody to come to our Earth, okay, and tell us, we are, you know, terrestrial being and coming to see it. It just it's probably never gonna happen. And despite the fact that if you watch these other YouTube channels that they are dedicated to UFOs, which I like to see every now and then just to see what they're up to. You always like almost like not a single week pass and there is a sighting of a UFO. Um, it's it could be, but the odds of these distances is it just wow. I'm pretty sure if somebody take a journey from somewhere to here, uh, because speed of light we're talking about, they can travel unless there are like some people that can create, not people, but any creature out there that they are smart enough to create like wormholes that they can travel from too. That's probably the logical explanation for them to pop up here like every now and then, uh, which is a technology that's probably will never exist. I don't know. At least we'd just be hopeful that someday we will be able to go at least to Mars, and just terraforming Mars will take I don't know, thousands of years to terraform Mars. I don't know. It's possible, but at least we can find somewhere to escape because the survival of a human being is threatened really, really bad, especially the last few years. I'm not saying last few years, just last decade actually. Like here in the U.S., from the Obama administration to the current administration, the the, the amount of pollution that they are basically destroying the planet. A lot of people disagree with this, or they say a human cannot destroy the planet. The planet will not be destroyed, okay? Just get this right. The planet will not be destroyed. Who's gonna be destroyed? Humans. No human will be left on Earth. The planet will take, it's been here like for billions of years. It will basically recover itself after the humans are gone. It will take time, and then it will probably create another humans that they are probably smarter than us, who can survive more than a few thousands of years. Okay, let's see if there is actually something that close to our Earth somewhere. I don't know. Let me find somewhere right here. This looks yeah, almost same image, but you can see that there are some beautiful galaxies out there. I just can't get enough of this picture. Just looking and looking and galaxies and imagining, like, how many creatures inhabiting this galaxy, for example. Um, it's just amazing. Wow, look at this. Oh man, it's just amazing. Just crazy. Yeah, this I'm blessed to have a really good computer I built myself. Uh, it's, it has dual processors and it has 64 gig of RAM. So if you open this image on your computer, just make sure your computer is okay to open it. Otherwise, it's just gonna crash your computer. Okay, let's explore this corner right here. Wow, this looks to me like Milky Way. Oh man, this is. Yeah, I see all the galaxies are kind of shaped the same way. At least the one that we can see close, like this one. If we just, and then you see even this one is far away, it looks pretty much the same. Yeah, there's I think 7,000 galaxies just on this picture, or 750, I forgot. But there are so many galaxies, and each galaxy has like, I don't know, billions of stars, and each star has like at least a couple planets orbiting. Just look at this, how bright this star is. Yeah, I mean, it will take a whole year for us just to explore this image. Wow. Okay, let's see this corner right here. I haven't seen it. Yeah, galaxies and galaxies. Yeah, can you imagine if there is like a spaceship coming from one of the places? You never see it because it's too small. This is like size of galaxy. Oh man, planets are basically just, you can't even see a whole planet in a single pixel. You can't. I wonder what's the resolution that they can come up with so we can actually see planets, not just, you know, like. But I know it's gonna be big. But if we zoom, literally just take one galaxy like this one, and basically increase the resolution that you can actually see planets. That would be amazing. And then each, you can focus on one corner or one side. Now let's go to the center. Let me see where is this place looks like. Wow, how many galaxies there. Every galaxy is running away from each other. I was wondering if they cross, I think sometimes, um, but actually you don't see like planets smash into each other. That's what I was thinking. Like, if a galaxy runs to another, you you will see like an egg smashing with another egg. This looks like a nebula. uh, it's hard to, even with this resolution, you can't, when you zoom closer you can see pixels. You see, you can even zoom to a single pixel. Wow, look at this one. Isn't this pretty? Wonder, because the light is so intense you can't even see what's in there. Oh man, this is crazy. Seeing galaxies and oh wow, amazing. I guess we can't get enough of this image, but you can always go check it on the website. Let me pull it back. I will leave it in the description. It's right here. It's Hubble site.org image and then 4/4492/news, and you can read all about it and download it and look at it. I will do some more exploration since this is a live stream. So if you don't have a good computer to be able to see all this, I try to do it, and that's the reason what I'm doing it, because a lot of people will love to see this, but unfortunately their laptops or computer are not be able to open it. I'm gonna just do like a circle around, like since we explored this corner and this corner, let me just do this one real quick and see what's in here. Okay. They're just mind-blowing. This detail on this image is just amazing. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna just pick some pretty places like this one right here, and then okay. Let's see. This place right here we haven't looked at. Wow, look at this. Looks nice. Amazing. Wow, how many galaxies I just can imagine. Wow. Actually, this is the first time I've seen something like this. Not the computer generated images of galaxies and stuff. He's the real deal. Yeah, it give you the how to grasp when what people talking about. There are trillion of galaxies, because my mind couldn't comprehend there are trillion galaxies. How you can really see that? Because you can only see the our solar system and few others maybe from the Milky Way, but to go beyond the Milky Way and see all these other galaxies, yeah, this is actually a really really good image. wherever you look you just see galaxies. Oh my bad, it was not, I was actually okay, yeah, back to the image. There we'll see. I already seen this one. Get this one right here. See. Some of them are, even they are bright, they are really far away. You can see this. How beautiful this scene is. Oh man, this is incredible. And there are even more. Look at this place right here. Ah, even the galaxies are different shapes. See, these ones are more Milky Way kinda style. This one I don't even know. Looks like, because the light coming from there is very intense. Probably hide all the strings or whatever you call them. Yeah, but most of them are like this one. See, just they are not. See, they are not perfectly on the same direction. You can see, like the angle of this. If it's moving this way, you see. This one looks like it's moving this way, based on the angle. This one looks like moving. I don't know for sure, either this side or this side. Looks like it. See, this one is like right straight from the screen, either moving away or towards this side. You have different angle of rotation, unless they wobble, when they are moving. I don't know. Subjects of astronomer, and they probably have the answer for that. Okay, I'll leave you this this view. Yeah, this view looks nice. Gonna leave you this view and wish you a great day, and see you on another stream or another video. Have a great day. Bye.